I did not know they sounded like that. That thing sounds crazy. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Damn, he's a, yeah, it's an N, Elantra N. I did not know they sounded like that on my seatbelt. So I just left my soccer game. I'm gonna give you guys a sick little POV, nighttime POV, but this is a cold start. Cars in Sport Plus in a parking garage. It is kind of cold, so yeah, it's sounding pretty good. But yeah, like you guys saw from the first clip, bro, today's a different day, but that Elantra M or N that Elantra N sounds crazy. I did not know those cars sounded like that, and turns out it's only a inline 4, I think, like turbocharged or something like that. But bro, those cars sound crazy for what it is. Bro, my tires are spinning so much. It doesn't even matter how late it is, there's always someone in front of me. Whenever I try to record, I swear if I was not recording, I'd be the only one on the road right now. But once I'm recording, bro, it's like everyone is out. Time to wake some people up. I swear, they must be so annoyed at my car right now. Crazy. Let me try to put my window down all the way just to see what it sounds like. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too windy for you guys. Hopefully not. Damn. Thought that was a speed bump for a second. The overrun drop sound is just different. It hits different, bro, I swear. It's my favorite part, probably one of my favorite sounds that the car makes for sure. Either from the intake. Sounds crazy. Ass car. It's weird, bro. Thing never gets old. hope it's not too windy, bro. I swear, because I feel like you guys are hearing the car 10 times better with the window all the way down. But I'm not sure if it's too windy. Bro, this thing sounds crazy. You see how it's not even popping? It does that whenever you step on the car a lot. It stops popping for a second, but then it starts back right away though. Damn, bro, this shit's mad fun. Bro, it's always such a vibe leaving soccer, driving this car, especially at night. This thing is freaking sick, bro. This car never disappoints, I swear. Damn, bro, that's enough for now though, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about that crazy sound in the Elantra. But yeah, I'll catch y'all again in the next one.